Find the volume of a regular pyramid. So we're going to find the volume of a pyramid, but this time they threw in the word regular. So what makes something regular? So what that means is that your base is regular. So we look at our pyramid, we can see we have a triangular base. This is a triangular pyramid. And because it's regular, that means that all three sides of your base are congruent. Well, if all three sides of a triangle are congruent, you know what kind of triangle that is? Yeah, it's an equilateral triangle. So that's going to help us out. We'll come back to that in a minute, but let's just start focusing on the question. They said find the volume of a regular pyramid. So our volume formula is still the same. So 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. All right, well now we're going to get into the area of that base. So our base, if I were to draw it out, all three sides are congruent, which makes all three sides 12. And because it's an equilateral triangle, you have an area formula for that. That is s squared over 4 times the square root of 3. So we're going to plug in our side length, which is 12. So 12 squared over 4 times the square root of 3, which is 144 over 4 times the square root of 3. And 144 times 4, divided by 4, is 36 square roots of 3. So that's the area of our base. Our height, well that's kind of nice. They even told us h equals 30, so our height is 30. So now we're ready to find the volume. So the volume of our pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the base, that 36 square roots of 3, times the height, which is 30. Okay, so when we do this math, you have a square root of 3, so we're not going to touch that because we don't have any other square roots. But we are going to work on multiplying these three numbers. So first, what I try to do is try to find a number that can divide by 3. Well, 36 divides by 3, so I'm going to multiply 1/3 times 36. 1/3 times 36, or 36 divided by 3, is 12. And then the square root of 3 stays, times 30. And now I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 12 and the 30 together. So 12 times 30 is 360, and then our square root of 3 stays. So our final answer is 360 square roots of 3 units cubed for volume.